licensed driving school in New York, right? We have a lot of people that asking if all the driving school are licensed, if there's a specific licensed driving school in New York. Yes, here at Pierre Driving School, we are fully licensed by the DMV. We are fully licensed by the New York Department of Motor Vehicle, and also all of our instructors are licensed as well. So if you're looking for a licensed driving school in New York, you've come to the right place. Pierre Paul Driving School. We can definitely help you here with all your driving need. All right. So here in this channel, we do everything driving. If we met here, my name is Ben with Pierre Paul Driving School. In this driving school, here we do everything driving. So if you new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. All right, the title for today, as we do on the regular, the question was licensed driving school New York City. So we are one of them. We are licensed here by the state, and all of our instructors are licensed as well. Okay, so after we answer a question, however, we continue with our daily driving, do the left and right, that you guys can benefit from it. All right, if anything that I miss while I'm driving, I've always asked you guys to put in the comment below, because that's where I can pick all the topic that we can talk and we can do here on this channel, and I will answer you in a video format. All right, so we're gonna go straight here for the purpose of the road test. Whatever you do, contrary to going straight, you must signal all your attention. We're gonna go to the right, mirror right, signal right, you come over, and we're gonna go back again to the left, mirror left, shoulder left, and come over here. All right, and from here we continue driving straight. It's all about signal all of your attention for everything that you do contrary from going straight. All right, this topic for today in driving license driving school in New York City, of which Pierre Paul Driving School are fully licensed here. Okay, so if you're in the New York area, you're looking for anything driving related, check the link in the description below. We can definitely help you. As we know, driving requires some kind of responsibility. It is our duty to make sure that we help as much as we can, and the only way that we can do that is by you put it in the comment below the thing that you want us to cover in particular, because we can only know so much, but only you know best what you're struggling with. By putting that in the comment, we can do a video about it, and everybody else can benefiting from that. All right, now for the purpose of the road test, whenever you come to a stop, you have to make sure that you can see the tire of the car in front of you. If you're not doing that, then you follow too close, and that's something that you do not need. When you're doing your road test, they'll consider it as tailgating, and tailgating can lead to tickets, because in the street of New York, however, if you're tailgating people, police can pull you over and give you a moving violation for that, of which we do not need. Remember, driving requires some strong responsibility. It is our duty to educate ourselves as much as we can, so when it comes down to decision making, we can make the one that we deem that is best at that moment. Doesn't mean that is the best one, but that's the one that we deem that is good at the moment. So the more you know, the better it is. We cannot stress this enough. All right, so continue that driving here on a Saturday morning here in New York City. The weather is not the visibility is good, but it's kind of still chilly. The car in front of us is wrong. It shouldn't be all the way over the crosswalk like that, but you can tell them what to do. They know what they know. They think that they're good when they get the license, but doing that, you're impeding people. You're impeding the people at the crosswalk. The police can give you a ticket for that, for blocking the crosswalk. You say, how is this for this guy in front of him? He has to go almost on the street to make the turn. If anything were to happen to that person, that's your because the way that you're pulling up, you shouldn't be doing that. All right. Yeah. Double park car to the right, we're gonna signal to the left, we're gonna signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and go around, nice and smooth. Stay passing them, that's good. always stop sign will make a single stop where you're visible. Car on the left was there first, I came in second, then I'm gonna go now. Okay, the person on my right keep running. I don't know why. I was there, then anyway. I was still looking and pay attention because you'll be in shock what people will do here, of which we do not need. See, traffic is green. I'm still slowing down a little bit because people these days drive crazy. Especially on morning time. They think that they know the neighborhood, that nothing gonna happen this time of day. You don't do that. We're making a left turn at the intersection, at the corner coming up, all right? So it's a full stop. We're gonna signal the attention. We come to a full stop where we can see right above the stop here, where we can see for human. Stop here. Looking for human. To the left, to the right, is there any humans? No. We're gonna roll up, make the second stop directing towards the turn. So she's making a left turn. Right over here. For the traffic. If traffic is clear, on my left is clear, but on my left is not clear. But on my right there is a heavy blind spot here. You see how much I'm looking? Heavy blind spot. A lot of activities going on here. You have to pay good attention, folks. You don't want to just pull out like this. You'll be in shock with the outcome. Let's make a left turn here. Left intersection turn. These are the most difficult turn here, okay? No traffic on my block. Okay, humans clear. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn, okay? Nice and smooth and close, to the closest left lane. Then from here, we're gonna move over to the right. Mirror right, shoulder right. Okay, let me continue here because I want to get a parking and walk back here. Let's see if I can get a parking here. Left hand side is not part of the road test. You will not be doing parking on left hand side. However, it doesn't hurt to do one if need be, all right? Got a little room here. I'm gonna do parking here to the left. Let me see ahead here. You see how much I'm looking for? I think you can do a pull up here if you can. Okay, let's do a pull in here. Mirror right, shoulder right, and let's do a pull in, yeah. Okay, we can do a pull in here. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be better. I'm gonna have to adjust here. No, this is driving on the regular, all right? So if we were doing for the road test, we would not be doing it that way, okay? Come in here, looking behind me as the car going back, okay? And I'm bringing it back in here. Good. Lock it all the way in on the other side. Bring it back a little bit more. There you have it, folks. All right, this has been here with Pierre Driving School. This lesson today was licensed driving school in New York. We are fully licensed. If you're not here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We understand that driving requires some responsibility. It is you and I duty to educate ourselves and as much as we can, so when those decision-making times come, we can deliver to the best of our ability. We do not want to leave things to chance. There's too much to lose in the event that we make a decision that is not the right one as we driving, because it can lead to something that you and I, we don't want to get ourselves involved. If we miss anything while I'm doing those videos, please let me know in the comment below. That's where I get all of our topic video coming from. And I'd like to thank you guys personally for broadening our video topic because of the question you guys asked. All right? Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Take care. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.